everyone. This video is going to be about how to get started making our round basket. And actually what we're going to be making first is the base of the basket with this 1/2 inch flat reed. And in your kit, what you'll find is that you have a bundle of reed with 12 pieces of this flat because it's flat on both sides. 1/2 inch reed, and this actually is what forms what you might think of as the skeleton of the basket, the structure of the basket. We call it the spokes. And then the other reed that is wrapped around the skeleton of the basket are called the weavers. So that's a different size reed that we'll be covering later on. But I want you to start with your bundle of 12 flat, 1/2 inch flat. It's labeled base in your kit, and take out 6. We're only going to use half to start with. 6 of these 1/2 inch flat pieces of reed. And when we work on a basket, we like to put the wrong side to the inside so that the right side of the reed is to the outside. So you say, oh my gosh, the reed has a wrong side and a right side. It does. If you get it wrong, if you actually accidentally put the spoke the wrong way, no worries. From a structural standpoint, it causes no problems whatsoever. From a cosmetic standpoint, if you're a purist, the wrong side of the reed is a little hairier, so it might have more of those little fibers that are sticking out. But no worries. At least I very commonly get at least one of my spokes going the wrong way. But let's take a look at it. So on this, I hope this shows up on this piece of reed. You'll maybe be able to see that there's a smoother side and a little bit hairier side. I don't know if you can see these little hairs along here. This is the wrong side of the reed. So we're going to mark the wrong side of the reed at the half point. This is a 22 inch piece of reed. So I want you to use a pencil or a pen. It gets covered up, so in this case you can use a pen. And mark the 11 inches in, half point, of this 22 inch piece of reed on all 6 of your reeds. And that way we'll know when we get ready to make the base and lay it out, we actually stack them on top of each other at the center point. That way you have no question about what the center point is. You'll always know because it's marked. So you can just stack them right on top of each other where the center point is. So from here on, what I'm going to do is show you the techniques of weaving from an overhead view, so you can actually see my hands and you can see how I'm weaving and all that. But I wanted to you to get a flavor of what the videos are like and how it might work with the kit. I'll tell you which pieces of the reed in the kit you're going to be using, how to prepare them, and each of the steps of weaving, show you how to replace a reed when you run out, all kinds of things like that. But I wanted you to get a flavor of what video instruction is like, and I hope that this assures you that you can do this without being together. It's certainly more fun to be together. I love it too, but in these interesting times, at least this is a way that we can make a basket. All right, thanks.